Hi, and welcome to an overview of the Leap no-code app factory. LeapXL offers flexibility in how companies can access the power, speed, and ease of the Leap platform at a price they can afford. For those interested in the full package, we offer our private cloud or on-premises annual license. This is perfect for large enterprises that want complete control over their Leap instance and comes with customized training and service packages. It's the most affordable way for enterprises to deploy multiple capabilities and solutions within their own environment to their clients. Whether internal apps for back office efficiency or customer-facing applications that you can quickly get to market, you'll be able to rapidly prototype, test, and release apps with the Leap no-code app factory. For example, this Freddie Mac compliance reporting app where we are checking some monthly totals and auditing our data source for changes. This license gives you access to all Leap platform features, including the Leap Editor canvas where you can quickly build the views, features, events, and user interfaces of your apps with our simple drag and drop interface, the API and data provisioning tool where you can connect multiple disparate types of data to be used in the Leap Editor, and thirdly, an array of platform administration tools that can be customized to your specific security and compliance needs. With the Leap Cloud license, you can more affordably access many of the same features, such as the Leap Canvas and our data provisioning tool, to roll your own software in our secure hosted environment. This comes with free video training, with additional training and service packages available. This is an app built in our environment using an API connection to power a dashboard reporting on various data points regarding COVID-19. We also offer custom application development. LeapXL will work with you to design and develop your app to spec. We'll support you throughout the entire app lifecycle, including getting your app to market and supporting the application after launch. Such as this app, Loan Vista, that we're building for a bank to help manage the loan origination process. It has a loan officer portal, as well as a mobile-friendly, customer-facing app. This mobile field reporting app for a construction company where ground crew members can update the status of various tasks, as well as submit files from their mobile device as part of their reports. And an exchange rate portal for a financial institution. Users can select various currencies for which they'd like to compare, as well as the date range for comparison, and then generate a report which they can export to an Excel file. Or you can customize a pre-made application from our no-code app store for the most affordable solution. Developers will also have the option of publishing their own apps to sell within our store. Thank you for your interest in the Leap no-code app factory. Please don't hesitate to contact us if you'd like a demo or have any questions.